The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. Even before the threat of the online hacks going on in crypto, it was always a good idea to maintain custody of all of your crypto on cold storage. We're going to review three devices right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. Let's get into it. First review is the Trezor Model T. Now, this one is a touch screen, small and very compact. It is a plug-in device, meaning that you're going to have to plug into a PC or probably a tablet. I've used mine on a PC to access it. The touchscreen does make it a bit easier to navigate around, and it does come with companion software that you're going to have to download from the Trezor.io webpage. Now, once you've done all the setups, this device comes with seed phrases, either 12 or 20, depending on your level of comfort. I opted for the 12 uh, seed phrase device or protection and went ahead and set up a pin for the device. The interface itself is pretty slick, straightforward, straight to the bones, but the features for this device are interesting. It can hold thousands of different cryptocurrencies, which are pretty cool considering its size. And you have a very nice response time on that touchscreen for such a small device. Um, Again, this probably isn't for you if you want to be on the go with your device. I don't see any debit cards or anything associated with it that allows you to spend on the fly if you choose to do so. But again, as far as maintaining and holding your cryptocurrency, these devices are perfect. This is the Model T. I got this one for under $51 this week on Amazon. It usually retails for $129. Go ahead and check them out and let me know what you think. The next device is the Ledger Nano S, which is a affiliate partner to this channel. I've used this Nano for about 4 years, and I got one of the original ones. It's the Nano S, so it's very limited in the amount of cryptocurrencies you can store on it. Currently, I have like three, like a Doge, XRP, and Bitcoin. But if you try to do any more, it's just not got the space. It doesn't have the capacity. You have to upgrade to another device. Now, for those of you who are just dealing with a few cryptos, this might just be the ticket. They're currently retailing, if you can still find a little Ledger Nano S, under $100, but I would recommend getting one of the higher versions. The only drawback is the learning curve on finagling the bagel with the buttons. You have to kind of get used to that trigger. The interface itself, when you download the software to your computer, is far more advanced than, I would just say the Trezor app, just because of the things it can do. There's a lot more screens, a lot more updates, and the updates come pretty regular. So keep up to date with that. As far as cold storage goes, there are transaction fees that comes with these. Anytime you move from an exchange to a cold storage wallet, you may lose a couple of dollars. Again, cold storage is really not for you to be spending on and off. Get it somewhere, secure it, and put it away. Ledger Nano S. Last but certainly not least is the Tangem Wallet, and I absolutely love this little guy because it's nothing more than a card. And unlike the other two devices, once you set up your wallet, there are no seed phrases. It keeps it internal to the card. Now, there are some drawbacks to that, of course. You lose those cards and you get two toolbox for the first offering. And once you have it set up, you're good to go. You simply tap it to your phone, and that's your wallet. You use your smartphone, you don't use a PC, and there's no cables to have to plug into a USB port. Now, functionality wise, love it. You can buy and sell or swap, move your crypto right on the app. It's virtually seamless, and they do offer one that's a bit of a ring. Not this one, of course, but it is something I'm looking into as more of a fashion statement, if anything. But the technology you find is pretty wild. Go ahead and you just tap your ring to the back of your phone and it opens up your wallet. I like it. I've gone ahead and placed the affiliate link for the Tangent Wallet right here on the bottom of the page and on the screen. It is probably my go-to right now because I can set it up to work with my cryptocurrency miners and I can have those addresses for those wallets go straight to my cold storage, which is pretty cool and allows me to just set it, forget it. Now you can do that with your ledgers and your treasures as well, but for me, sometimes I just you know get that urge. I actually bought my kid a one piece pullover with my Dogecoin, and it was absolutely a breeze to do. Let me know what you think. What device is going to fit best with your life? I personally like the freedom because I'm always going to have my phone, and just putting another card in a wallet and having that on the fly beats having to come home to manipulate a device to put and store my cryptocurrency on. Again, let me know what you think. Leave a comment in your description. I mean, in the description section below, and I will talk to you very, very soon.